I'm a little emotional. I'm also pregnant, so hormones. But like this is, I can't believe we're finally here.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this.
Hey guys, it's KJ.
And John.
We are here. We are getting on our very first Disney cruise. But now they just called boarding groups 1 through 3. We are number 4, so we're gonna get on the boat very, very soon. We can't wait.
Disney Cruise Line would like to invite all guests in boarding groups 1 through 4 to please proceed to the boarding area.
Here we go.
Please be prepared to
We are
present
number
a boarding
4.
pass for each member of your party.
And it is 11:55. Go, Johnny, go! We're walking through the megaphone! Or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called.
Please welcome aboard the Winthrop family.
Okay, I'm a little emotional. I'm also pregnant, so hormones. But like this is, I can't believe we're finally here. This is like, literally been waiting 3 years to get on a Disney ship, so this is like a moment.
You want to get a magic wand?
Look at that.
Please welcome
You want a
aboard the
wand?
Golden family.
When you come on, looks like you can get a magic. Oh look, someone's gonna give you a wand, Win! What do you say? We'll take it. Thank you.
Wishes do come true. Oh, just like this it works, just like a charm or a wish. Oh, and it looks like we've been joined by our very good friends, the lovely Princess Rapunzel and Flynn Rider. Hello up there.
Here we go. Marceline Market. We got the kids' food first. We got some, I mean the baby probably won't eat the chicken, but we got chicken, fingers, fries, and mac and cheese, and some fruit. It came in like a little fruit cup, so he's kind of picking between the fruit and the mac and cheese. I got some potato leek soup, some asparagus, and 2 potato fries, some cheddar focaccia bread, and then a grilled chicken salad. Johnny went and got some chocolate chip cookies, looks like some kind of Oreo dessert. How cute, a little Mickey pudding, and then a little piece of, looks like funfetti cake. Heading into the Oceaneers Club, or at least in that direction. Let's see if we can find it. Ooh, look at that portal. Oh, so here's the nursery. Do you want to check out the nursery? Come on, let's go look. Begun our sail. People say you can't feel it. I can feel it immediately, so hopefully that doesn't impact me.
We all don't, right? We all don't.
No whales, but we can look and see out into the ocean. You can see that we are moving. When he's talking about all the things that are in the water out there. So, yeah, this is going to be interesting while we're moving and how I deal with that.
It's weird. I can feel the motion too.
Yeah, people are like, you don't feel it at all. Like, as soon as that horn went off, I was like, oh boy. So, we shall see how this goes.
So we just set sail only a few minutes ago. Maybe like, well, I guess more than a few minutes ago. Probably like 20 minutes ago. We are leaving, I guess, the channel, or the bay, whatever you would call this. and heading out into the ocean. You can see the breaking waves hitting the beach. And we're about to head out into the Atlantic on our way to the Bahamas. Wow, look at it. Beautiful. Let's get a view of the ocean.
Look! Did you get any presents in there? Which one's yours?
Oh my God.
You have the blue one.
What are you doing?
What is it? You got stickers? What else did you get? Yours is up here. Can you get it out? Let me help you. Let me help you.
Mickey with station colors.
Oh my goodness. No, buddy, don't say those up. Look what you get, buddy. Look. Look in here. Pal, look. What else did you get? Can you reach it? Oh, you got some blue sand. Wow. What'd you get, buddy?
Hey, little man. Look what you got.
What'd you get? You got some green sand and you got stickers. Wow.
I got 3 stickers.
All right, let's go to dinner. Let's take our new toys to dinner. Dinner in Arendale tonight. Go ahead. Like a French onion dip, and then they have multi-grain rolls that comes. This is the first thing you get when you sit down at your table.
Enjoying the good food, huh? Snowman, she is in our piece now.
Oh, hey, they look like a fun group.
Family, who wants to play a game?
Yeah!
Mr. Wandering Oaken, let's do this. Grizzly bear.
Is it Sven? Sven!
Big bear.
No.
Say Sven!
This is alright. Like Smith. How about another one? No snowman?
Are you kidding me? Let's keep the guessing going.
Very well. I give you a easier one. Okay.
Is that fish?
We all kind of got it, right? I think we need to work on your charade skills.
You say so. Hi, my family.
Whoa, looks like
I see what the big summer
See you all later. Enjoy the party!
This is my soup, the yellow fluffy soup. The baby did not like when Wandering Oaken wandered behind him, so he's a little unhappy right now. But the kids got green pasta, apples, and carrots. We were a little afraid of Oaken.
Oh, okay. He's starting the singing early, I can tell.
Oh, yes.
It wouldn't be a party in Arendale without singing and dancing.
It wouldn't. Who's that, Win? You say hi to Krista?
I wanted to spell.
I just put a new carrot nose on our lemon.
Spell got a whole glass.
Here is my salad. I have the cucumbers, carrots. Not pears, it's potatoes. I totally forgot. All very good. Here's my dinner. I got the ribeye and potatoes and broccoli. We came back to the room to this guy all made up. He was holding Mickey and Dale, but just wanted to show you guys. Came back, showered this little guy really quick. And now we are gonna go to the show. I don't know if you guys can tell, the boat is rocking so much. It's crazy. But off we go. We're here in the Walt Disney Theater. You're not allowed to film once the show starts, so just wanted to jump on, say a quick hello, and we will let you know how the show is once it's over. Also, the boat is rocking so much. I cannot believe how much it is rocking. I just feel like it's going like this, like back and forth and back and forth. And actually, you can kind of see the curtains. I'll show you. The curtains are like rocking back and forth. It's crazy. If you guys look really closely, you can see the curtains are going back and forth. Rocking that hard. We are back in the room. I put a Goofy movie on when he wanted to watch it after watching the Goofy themed show, the show in the theater, and at the end when everyone was clearing out, they were playing Stand Out, so when he really wanted to watch a Goofy movie, and it just so happens that it's on demand on our TV. So I'm gonna close out here. Leave us a comment. Let me know, do you get seasick? What are your tips? Because I would love to know. And with that, we'll see you guys real soon. Bye!
See you on the boat.
See you on the
Back today we are